Okay, so this is the level 4 guitar part 2. I'm going to click the plus button on the left and choose MIDI instruments again. And then I'm going to choose the same instrument, the same guitar, acoustic guitar. Make sure my cue is pressed at the top right. Have a little practice, make sure it's on octave 3. So at the top, make sure it's on octave 3, so it's a bit higher. And then practice. And then record. Again, it stopped recording a bit late, so go through first, check your lengths and quantize your lengths, adjust your lengths. It can be fiddly, but just bear with it. And then we can see at the end, as I said, it's gone over, so I'm going to minimize that and then adjust the end of the region. Once that's done, again I can click loop for 16 bars. Now it could be because of the speaker on my phone, but I'm finding that second guitar part is louder than the first one. So if you want to adjust the volumes, on the little guitar symbols on the left, you just click and swipe to the right. So I'm clicking on the little guitar heads on the left and dragging the screen to the right, and that brings up my mixer. So I can turn down that higher pitched guitar, the guitar part 2, and adjust my volumes this way.